Good evening, sir. My name is Aisha Brady. Actually, the first question we need to put ourselves is, should we give something for our future generation? Actually, our ancestors gave us really a very good environment, and it is our responsibility to give a good and a very healthy environment for our future also. Let us see what are the effects that is causing pollution.
Actually, summer was not still yet started, but we are feeling very hot nowadays. The reason behind this is global warming. Actually, global warming means release of excessive amount of carbon dioxide and other carbons from the factories and industries. Not only greenhouse gases, but also mining. Actually, mining means digging of extra fossil fuels and etc. Now, my friend Arhat will continue.
Not only global warming and mining, there are also other effects that have a great impact on biodiversity. There are technology and also the floods. Floods are nothing but which are caused by the urbanization and deforestation and climatic changes. These all affects a lot on floods, which will occur and have a great impact on biodiversity. And also the technology which we use emits a lot of radiation and causes a large effect on animals. And now my friend Bhargavi is going to continue.
Not only technology and floods, even deforestation and air pollution. Air pollution is also a cause. Deforestation is nothing but cutting the trees and clearing the land for buildings. Even it leads to getting floods, and it also decreases the levels of oxygen and increases the carbon dioxide, which leads to global warming. Air pollution is nothing but releasing the poisonous gases into the atmosphere, and which leads to pollution. Now my friend Shreya will continue.
As you can see here, sir, there is a mining taking place, and due to mining,